Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to disable Okta Verify. Whether you're just an end user, an admin trying to disable Okta Verify for users, or disabling the Okta Verify entirely. Okay, so first up, for end users, just go to your Okta account. And once you're in here, tap on your profile right here at the top right, click on settings, and then just wait for it in here under security method. Just gonna find your Okta Verify and just remove yourself. Okay. And then the other option for an administrator trying to remove or disable Okta Verify for users, just go ahead over to your dashboard once more right here, click on admin, and then you'll be landed to the admin section. In here, go ahead over to security and scroll down and find authenticators. Okay, just click on it, wait for it to load. And once it loads, you can now go ahead and go to Okta Verify right here. Okay, click on actions and just click on delete. Right? Now, if you want to remove it entirely, you can go ahead and go to enrollment right here, and then just scroll all the way down and find Okta Verify right here under authenticators. Just click on actions, click on edit, and then just go ahead and go to Okta Verify. It says here optional, make it disabled. Okay. And once done, just click on update policy. And after that, Okta Verify will be disabled. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.